코미디와 액션 연기까지 도전을 했죠. 여전히 아름다운 메간 폭스의 모습입니다. 그쵸, 진짜 닌자 같죠? 네.
I don't remember getting injured, right?
네, 부상당한 기억은 없는 것
I
같습니다.
did try to do as many stunts as I could. I was pregnant about 3 weeks in, so there was some stuff with wire work that I just wasn't able to do, but I tried to do as much as possible. I actually feel like I'm pretty good at doing stunts. Do you agree?
Megan is very, because I think of the Transformers movies, is really amazing at acting in these types of movies and doing the action herself. She's pretty incredible. Sometimes where you'd have to bring stunt people or people to explain things such as throwing a punch or even falling. Megan does that stuff herself, and then she got pregnant and stopped, which is good.
Yes.
And safe.